Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer or simply your contacts, it's up to you. Of course, give all the permissions, and here we've got our list. All we have to do in order to add the photo, we have to tap on the contacts we want to edit. So let me pick, for example, this one, and then tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on add picture, and as you can see we've got some options from which we can choose. So basically we've got the device photos, we can pick the camera and your device will open the camera app, so you can take a photo of someone who's in front of you, or you can pick it from the gallery. We've got also the Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery if you will have the internet connection, and the illustrations, which are also available with the internet. So let me pick something from the gallery. Let me pick something from the camera, like this one. And as you can see in this step, we can change the position of the photo. We have to place it in this highlighted square. We can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you've got it set just like you want to, just tap on choose. And as you can see, the photo will be applied. You can of course change it or remove it, but if you're happy, simply tap on save in the right upper corner to confirm everything. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You can see this photo on the contact list, of course, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.